Low-dust formula ceramic brake pads designed to keep those wheels clean. The Z16 ceramic brake pad surfaces are thermal scorched for a fast brake-in. Chamfered and slotted like OE pad to ensure noise-free braking. Designed for shorter brake-in, better than OE. Professional technicians prefer Evolution ceramic pads for problem-free installations and no comebacks. Power stop brake pads are engineered for noise-free braking with dual rubber-backed shims that offer 6 times more noise reduction than plain steel shims. The pad surfaces are thermal scorched for fast brake-in. Evolution pads feature a true ceramic formula that keeps wheels cleaner and won't wear out the rotors. Power stop pads have 20% more stopping power. The premium carbon ceramic compound is made using OE-positive mold technology, that assures a uniform friction density throughout the pad, and this helps control noise and premature wear. Evolution pads are manufactured under TS 16949 standards to OEM specifications including chamfers and slots. Top reviews from the United States. Fast delivery. Cheaper than AutoStore. The brake pads came quick, went on my car perfectly and saved me money over the local auto parts stores.